Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by going straight to System Storage on your PlayStation. Open Settings, then Storage, and choose System Storage. You must find Saved Data and locate the God of War folder for the specific title you want to clear. Once found, make sure to back up your important files to USB or PlayStation plus cloud. This prevents irreversible loss. After you confirm backups, select the God of War save grouping so you can view individual save files and the delete option. Now you select the precise saves to remove. Highlight either single save files or the whole God of War save folder. You'll press the Options button and choose Delete. The interface may ask you to confirm which files to remove. Once you confirm, the console erases those files from system storage. Make sure you read the confirmation prompt because deletion is permanent without backups. If you're freeing space, delete older autosaves first. If troubleshooting, remove the most recent profile-specific save. Finish by cleaning cloud backups and verifying the console state. Go to Application Save Data Management, access saved data in online storage, and remove God of War cloud copies if they exist. Once you delete both local and cloud saves, restart the console to refresh system caches and check free storage. Make sure to launch the game and confirm the saved data is gone. If the game still loads old data, sign out, verify Cloud Sync is disabled, and repeat deletions. That usually resolves lingering save conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.